Analysts are more upbeat on Pos Malaysia Berhad following another strong showing by its courier business in the third quarter of the current financial year. The postal operator's net profit for the quarter ended December 31st, 2014, doubled to 46 million ringgit from 23 million ringgit a year ago, while revenue grew 8.6% to 358 million ringgit. Earnings continued to be weighed down by its mail segment, which saw a decline of 35% in operating profit due to lower mail volume from prepaid and ordinary mail segments. This was, however, mitigated by the strong and consistent performance of its courier segment, which registered revenue and operating growth profit of 24% and 26% respectively. This was the result of the group's ability to capitalize on the growing e-commerce market. Research says it continues to expect the courier segment to be the key earnings driver for Pos Malaysia, and it captures considerable market share in high-yielding businesses. The research house also anticipates growth in Pos Malaysia's other businesses, such as the Ar-Rahnu and logistics services, which would contribute to earnings in the long term. Research maintains a whole rating on the stock with a fair value of 4 ringgit 90 cent, which follows a 10 to 18% cut in its financial year 15 to 17 earnings. Kenanga Research, meanwhile, notes that Pos Malaysia is looking to grow its courier and logistics segment by leveraging on its wide post larger network, as well as further synergies with Kuala Lumpur airport services. It says the company is staying on course in implementing and delivering its 5-year strategic plan initiated in 2012, which is currently into its second phase. Kenanga maintains its underperform rating on Pos Malaysia with an unchanged target price of 4 ringgit 44 cent. Also commenting on Pos Malaysia is RHB Research, which expects seasonally stronger fourth quarter results to compensate for the shortfall in the first 9 months on the back of higher postal rates and low fuel price. It adds that the consistent double-digit quarterly year-on-year growth in the courier segment will continue to be Pos Malaysia's earnings driver. The research house maintains its buy call on the stock with a target price of 5 ringgit 60 cent, with the counter remaining its top pick for the logistics sector. She and Shannon, The Edge TV.